Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the German retailer store called Lidl, which is a German international retailer discount chain that operates over 12,000 stores across the Europe and USA. This Lidl store is situated in Dublin, Ireland. So here you can see the current specials and upcoming specials. Current specials means this week's specials and upcoming means that will arrive next week. So every week you can see the new items on Monday and Thursday. Lidl is one of my favorite store to shop. And this is the store entrance. Here you can see the Photo Me. Photo Me means you can take your photos on your own without going to photo studio. So like public service card, identity card, proof of age, passport, whatever size it is, you just have to choose an option in the touch screen and you have to insert the money, either it coins or cash, and you can take your photo. And this is the best and easiest way to take your photos on your own. And not all Lidls have this option, only few of it. And here you can see the beautiful house plants, and that is 799 euros, and this one is 249 euros, and this is 299. Like that, it depends on the size and the variety of the plant. And I love Lidl plants, and I often buy these house plants. And these all for the Christmas decoration, and that's the car parking area. And this is the coffee machine, and it's only €1. You just have to choose your coffee option and you can take your coffee. But currently it's not working because of the COVID, I think. And these are all shopping carts. As you know, you just have to insert €2 coin and you can get the shopping cart. Once you're done with the shopping, you have to put that card back and you'll get your money back. So this is the entrance and also exit of this Lidl store. And you can see the beautiful lights welcoming us. And here is the Lidl logo with fresh tomatoes there. Especially I like fruits, vegetables and meat. Everything you can find fresh here in Lidl. That's why I used to shop often. And welcome to my channel again. And these are the Christmas trees. That's around 6 to 6.5 feet height. And they are €24 and 99 cents. That's the real trees. So who are having big houses, they can opt that for Christmas trees and you can decorate. And here you can see the Super Savers. Super Savers means every week they'll have 6 items, either fruits or vegetables all together, and they are of half price. That means 50% off. Here you can see pear, kaki fruit, corn, spring onions, cucumber and pan chip. And here I'm going to take the radish. Look at how fresh they are, and they are 250 grams in weight. And next I'm going to take this broccoli, which is very fresh. And then I'm going to take these oranges, and these oranges are very easy to peel. And coming to the big oranges, that are somewhat hard to peel, and that's good for juices. So next I'm going to take this kaki fruit. Kaki fruit is like a seasonal fruit and it's very tasty. Next I'll go with the baby potatoes. They are of 750 grams in weight. That means that comes for €1 and it's 83.47 rupees. And next I'm going to take this fresh organic carrots. Carrots are very good, as you already know. So, and this is the bakery section where you can get fresh bakery items, and inside itself they'll bake these items. And my son want to take these donuts, so I'm asking him to take chocolate donuts, but he want to take that donuts with sprinkles on. So here you can find different types of donuts, and in this bakery section is also one of the favorite for both of us. So let's go to the egg section where you can find different types of eggs of 18 count, 12 count, 6 count, like that. You can find organic eggs as well. And here is the yogurt section. You can find different types of yogurt like peach and passion fruit, Greek style natural yogurt. We as an Indians, we used to put lots of yogurt in biryani. So I used to buy this Greek natural yogurt, and it's very tasty. So now I need butter. So now let's go to the milk section. Here you can find different types of milk like fresh milk, whole milk, light milk, skimmed milk, protein milk and lactose free milk. And now I'm going to take this lactose free milk. These milk bottles will come in 1 liter, 2 liter and 3 liters, and you can find chocolate milk as well. Along with this, you can have fresh cream, double cream, and now you can see the Christmas things on. And these are the Christmas greeting cards, puzzles, jigsaws, Christmas kids books, and everything you can find over here. Next, go to frozen section. Here you can find different types of snacks. Frozen one, you just have to bake or deep fry it in the oil. And here you can see the whole duck, which is frozen one. And now you can see different types of ice creams, and these are all comes in the frozen section. And this is the chocolate ice cream, hazelnut ice cream, pistachio ice cream, mascarpone ice cream, and all will come for 1.89 euros, and these are special items. Anyway, winter has started, so today I'm not going to take this ice cream. And here you can find different colas and pops. And next, these are all the special items which arrives every month, I think, but I'm not sure. Now I'm going to the roll section, which is kitchen roll, toilet roll, wipes, wet wipes and all. And here you can see Spider-Man theme kitchen rolls. And in this kitchen roll section, you can find 3 kitchen rolls for 299 euros. That means in Indian rupees is 252 rupees. So now I'm going to show you the Peppa Pig toilet roll, which are especially for kids. Look how. So today I'm going to take one Peppa roll and one Dino theme toilet roll. Look at this, how cute they are. So my son liked it, so I'm going to take one little Dino toilet rolls. And next, actually I don't have time today to show you the alcohol and wine section, so I'm not going to that side. So now you can see different types of drinks over there, and these are all kids toiletry section. And this side you can find the hand wash, hand creams, face wash and all. So now I'm going to take some hand wash. You can see deodorant, shampoo, multivitamin tablets, and Rini and Panadol, Disprin, and it's all over the counter medicines. You can find it here. And this section is for cling films, kitchen wipes, and bin bags and all. So next you can see the cleaning liquids and all, which comes as Fairy, Ariel and all. And this Ariel especially will come for 6 euros, that is 505 rupees. And now you can see the toys, especially for Christmas gifting, I think. These are for kids, both boys and girls. And here you can see the Christmas socks, which comes for 399 euros. And these are all of new stock. That means I went on the Friday, so you can see lots of things. But once this weekend has finished, most of the toys will go because it's on very high demand. And these are all the sauces and all. Here you can see the Hot Wheels cars, and these are all headphones and drawing pads, and this is the so all this section belongs to toys. Hey, look at that elf. And here you can see kids face mask, which comes for only 1 euro, and it's all buy one get one free. You know why? Because in Ireland under 12 are exempted for being wear masks. So they manufactured a lot of masks that time, but kids are not wearing masks. So they are in offer for 0.99 euros and one buy one get one free. And these are all the plastic items, kitchen mops, and all these are trays. This is grill. So my son want to take this margherita pizza, which is of cheese and very tasty, which comes for 2.49 euros. And here again you can find the Christmas socks, throws, blankets, and soft toys, plush toys, and they are of very cute. And now you can see the frozen section, which is like for non-veg, that's fish. So now I'm going to take this salmon fish, which comes for 299 euros. Earlier it was 3.75 euros. These are of boneless and it's very easy to bake. And here you can find the wreaths. So Christmas is coming, these wreaths are going to hang on the doors. So they comes with decoration and it looks very pretty and cool. And here you can find small trees. And now my son is going to take the prawns. I said no, so he's keeping them back. So here you can see the tomatoes, and these are all different types of pastas, couscous, and these are all sauces. So these are all couscous and different types of sauces and tomatoes. And look that Indian sauces, which like we can make korma or tikka. We just have to add those mixture directly to the meat or vegetables. You will get a very nice texture of Indian curries. So these are all peanuts and nuts. So I'm going to take one roasted and salted peanut, which we can make chutneys. So here next section is dry fruit section. Here you can find different types of nuts, apricots, Brazil nuts, cashew nuts, walnuts, and different types of seeds. And these are all different types of cheese, cheddar cheese, white cheese, mozzarella cheese, and all. And this is all the bun section. And here you can find the wholemeal bread, brown bread, white bread, and sauce sandwiches. And this is all again bakery sections, which we saw earlier. These are all the donuts, apple pies, and croissants. So here my son want to say something. So again we can come for tomato section and apricots and avocados, and these are all bananas which are very fresh, and that comes for 1.59 euros. That's only 134 euros, and we can get 6 bananas in that pack. So if you want organic bananas also, it's there. And now I'm going to take Irish Brussels sprouts, and these are all green leafy vegetables. So I'm going to show you all these directly because later I don't want to make another video. And these are all onions, and these are called shallots. These are organic onions which comes for 0.99 euros, and this red onions is only 0.59 euros, and this yellow onions is also only 0.59 euros. But now I'm going to take one organic onion pack which is only 0.99 euros. And now you can see the bakery item section like all-purpose flour, plain flour, bicarbonate soda, and all necessary items to bake something. And here you can see the chocolate buns and waffles, and these are all food colorings and the things which we use to decorate the cake. And this is Pepsi cool drink which is only 6.99 euros. Yum! Now you can see the different types of sauces: barbecue sauce, brown sauce, mayonnaise, vegan, salad dressing, ketchup, and here all the tin foods like beans, peas, and all. And here you can see the chips which is of potato and different types of flavors. Now you can see noodles, pasta, and all which are packeted ones. And now biscuits and chocolate section. Look how many types of chocolates are there. And this is the favorite section for kids, especially of course for adults too who love sweets. And now you can see the greeting cards. What's special with these cards is they are charity Christmas cards. That means if we'll buy for some like small cards come for 2.99, right? In that they Lidl will give the money to some of the money to charity. And here you can find the Coca-Cola, and here comes the till. My son is helping me to make a bill. So once we finish shopping here, it was there like, how was your experience today? So he's happy today, so he was pressing green continuously. I asked him just one time is enough, but he's not listening to me. And as I said before, they have a booklet. Every week they will change. These are the booklet. If you want, you can take, or you can check it online as well. So if I have time, next time I will show you the booklet in a special video. And this is the lift, and here comes the Santa's little helper photo. So I just asked my son to take a photo, so he is making that pose. And like I said before, these are all Christmas trees. Look how huge they are, and I liked it very much. So now you can see all the Christmas items like chocolates, cookies, cakes, and Santa Claus chocolates and everything here. These are all in the entrance. And left side you can find the greeting cards. So we are going out. This is the exit. As I said before, this is the place for exit and entrance as well. So here are the home plants again. While going back, I just checking. And now my shopping has finished today, and thank you so much for watching this video so patiently. And I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe.
And you're the best.
So next time I'll come with a more interesting video. See you in next video. Bye.
You're the best.